On Saturday, Russia suspended its participation in a deal reached in July to export agricultural products through Ukrainian ports, and accused the British Navy of being involved in a massive drone attack on its ships stationed in the Crimean port of Sevastapol, and of also being involved in the explosions that destroyed the Nord Stream pipelines last month. The attack was supposedly carried out by 9 naval surface drones, also known as uncrewed surface vessels. Russia has since said that the ships stationed at the port were involved in the UN-brokered deal, which allowed the export of Ukrainian grain, and the implications of its withdrawal will impact global food prices. The British Ministry of Defence later stated that the accusations were false claims, and that Russia was attempting to distract from its failures in the 8-month-long war. Accusations of British involvement in both the Nord Stream explosions and Saturday's attack represent an escalation in rhetoric, the impact of which is yet to be seen.